YouTubers, if I pull this fire alarm, I scam. I mean, if I pull this fire alarm, YouTubers, I will. If I pull this fire alarm, all the fire alarms will go off. It's just a scam. Bless you guys found a scam. You guys knew it was a scam because I said scam later up in the video. Because see, it's not wired in anything. Hey, right down loud. If a fire alarm is talking like this, never touch it because it might bite your hand off. Why on the minute thing does it say 1 second? Just says 1 second. 10 hours later. It's past the middle of the night. It's the next day.